Okay, record now? Alright. So I want to say thank you to everybody who watched my NXT review when it came to Adam Cole showing up. I did not think it was going to get more than fucking 10 views. But it came out to 1,000. So, thank you for all the people out there. And my wife gives me shit about it, saying, like, why are you making such a big deal about it? I'm like, I'm not. I'm just saying it's nice. You know, when you do something like that, there's that many people who watch the video. Otherwise, yeah, now she calls me a YouTube nerd. Whatever. We're all nerds in our way. But I did tell her I was going to post up another video, but I don't know if it should be wrestling related. So I figured I'll do a test video. Because, you know, everything out there on YouTube's already been taken up. So nothing's original on these days, which is not a bad thing. This is where I get my inspiration from. Yeah, I figured I'm not going to do a wrestling review. I might do a equipment test review. And alright, just the story is I got my wife a stun gun about 3 months ago, just for the protection when I'm not around the house. And she hasn't used it yet, because it's one of those things like, yeah, you know, you always want to keep your family protected, but at the same time, around the block we live at, around the area, there's, you know, you don't see a whole lot of shit like that going down. But, you know, you can never be too safe. So, either way, I just ended up getting her one, because, yeah, if you didn't realize, if you go on Amazon or wherever you can find these things, they're only like $12 a pop. So, it's a good investment for husbands out there, you know. If you're gone for a certain period of time and your wife's at home by herself with the kids, say invest in one of these things. Yeah, you know, the whole gun laws around here, it's like, 50-50. I don't know. But yeah, I ended up getting her one of these bad boys. Like I said, only cost me 12 or 13 bucks. 15 bucks maybe if you're going through Amazon shipping. And, you know, it's turned on. You can tell by that red light. Once you press that button, though, like, holy shit! Otherwise, yeah, she hasn't used it yet, so I think I'm gonna have to test it out on myself, see how effective it is. Otherwise, no, I'm not gonna do it up on the body parts. You only want to do on the body parts unless there's an actual intruder, invader, something like that breaking in your house. For me, for this one, it's just test mode right now. That's all I say. Otherwise, I'll give you the demonstration here, how quick it does. I don't know if it's gonna affect my phone if I do it that close, but here we go. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. So yeah, the most certain spots that people put that on actual, I don't know, what's the word, actual suspects, whatever. I mean, if you want the mean spot, you can put it through the throat or the heart. But I'm going to test it out on my leg to see how effective it is. I figured the leg, you know, it might work. Well, it's going to work no matter what, but it might be less painless, I should say. Alright, I'm going to try this here. Is a dress code? No one's allowed to be on anything? It's one of those things you say you're going to do it, but then when you actually do it, you're going to have 1 second out. 1 second out. Alright. You remember these little firsts. I remember the first stun gun test. I felt so guilty the whole time. I was just following around the apartment. I don't know why I left that there. I'm sorry. I want to do it, but at the same time, now I'm nervous. I could have picked it up. I should have. Alright. 1, 2, 3. I have no excuse. Nah, faked you. Alright. No countdown. This is why I could never be a maid. Trying to hold his phone steady. Oh, I suppose you couldn't do this. Alright.
No. Let me clean up your filth.
I say right here would be a good spot. Alright.
You make me sick.
1. Ah, God.
Stinky feet, the boring drawers. They wait for the laundry. That's their one chance to escape, and they all know it.
Oh, that's fucking tickly.
Wash, go to the dryer, count up your socks. One of them got out. Escape.
That was a tickly motherfucker.
The hell with you.
I don't know, man.
The dryer door swings open. The sock is always waiting up against the side wall.
That was only like a nanosecond of that. Otherwise, yeah, it's still kind of stung.
I know he's trying to get away. Sometimes they grab onto a sweater, gives him a
we'll... I don't know. I'll come back with a review after I'm feeling alright. Otherwise, peace out.
What can he do?